Hey guys, Kevin Lehner here with Freedom Motivator. Welcome back to the channel. And today I've got a good video here for you. I'm going to show you how to share a file from Google Drive and how to get it up there and share it and have a URL. So if you need to have for your business and you need to have a URL out there on the web where you can share, whether it be a picture or a text file or whatever, and show you how to do that for free. Okay? Alrighty, great. Stick around. We'll be right back in just a moment. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, what we do here is we do videos on affiliate marketing, how-to videos to do with affiliate marketing and anything to do with making money, and also things to do with motivation and keeping you motivated. Okay? Alrighty, so if this is your first time here, make sure that you reach down there at the bottom right there and mash that subscribe button and click on that bell so you get notified of when we post new videos. Okay? Alright, great. Now today what I'm going to do is show you a way to share a file with a URL out on the web so that you can get, like if you have a picture or a text file or something that you need to have a URL to, because the particular website that you're on wants you to upload a file or whatever, not upload it, but rather just share it or be able to access it, because they won't allow you to upload it. That's what I'm thinking wrong here. Yeah, if it's a website that will not allow you to upload a file or a photo or something that you need, then you can share it, because they'll ask for a URL, and you can share it from a different hosting spot over to it, where it'll bring it right into the website for you. Okay. All right. So, and this is all going to be done for free using Google Drive. Now, if you have any kind of a Google account, most people are familiar with Gmail accounts. If you have a Gmail account, then you have access to all of Google's products, and most of them are free to a certain degree anyway. For example, with Google Drive, if you have a Gmail email account, you have free space of 15 gigabytes on Google Drive that you can use. Alright, so that's what we'll use today, and I'll show you how to do that. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you also how to get a permanent link for that URL so that you can share it anywhere you want in the world on the World Wide Web. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and get started right on in on this. Alright, so first thing what I'm going to do is we're going to go to our Google Drive account, since that's where we're going to host the file at. Okay? So I'm just going to log into my Google Drive account right here. And then we'll get started on this here and show you this here. Alright, so this is my Google Drive account. Now, I've got some things already uploaded on here already. Now, to upload a file on Google Drive, basically all you do is just come up here to where it says New, up here at the upper left. And then click on that, and then it gives you opportunity, some things to do here. Now you can do a file upload, which is what we'll do. You can do a whole folder upload if you like. And it shows down here, as you can see, I've got 1.1 gigabyte used of my 15 gigs that they allot for free. So you'll have 15 gigabytes of free space too. Alright, so there's lots of things. I mean, you get one account with Google, you get access to all this stuff. Docs and sheets, slides, and all these other forms, drawings, maps, and other things too. Alright, so but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to upload a file, right? So you want to get the file to Google first, so you can get the link to and then you can take that link and go to another website, wherever it's at in the world, and then you'll be able to draw that with that URL, be able to draw that file or folder or picture or whatever to that particular site. That is, if they don't allow you to upload it to their site. All right, which there's a few websites out there, quite a few, that don't allow that. They want the URL leading to the document or picture or whatever. All right, so we'll click on File Upload. Now, I'm just going to choose like a banner picture here that I had previously made. Right here, this particular picture right here. I'll just, for the purposes of this tutorial here, I'll just upload this. And it says down here, as you can see, you can't really see because of me here, but it says uploads complete, and there it is right there. Okay, so get me out of the way here. Anyway, so then, all right, so our file is up there on Google Drive now. So what we want to do is we want to just click on it to highlight it, okay? And then we come up here to the right, and you see this little link right here, get a shareable link. All right, so we'll click on that, and then link sharing is on there, and it gives you a link already, but you click on sharing settings, and make sure that it says that anyone with the link can view this. There's other choices here. Anyone with the link can edit, anyone with the link can comment or view, and then there's others right here, so on and so forth. So what you want to do, you want to make this make sure it says anyone with the link. Alright, so you tick that, and then we'll just click save, and it brings us back here. What we want to do is we want to copy this link right here. Just click, either you can highlight it or just click this button right here that says copy the link. Okay, and so we click that, and it pops up down here, link's been copied to the clipboard, and then we can just click done. Now, we have that link, but that's a pretty ugly link, right? Look how long that link is. Kind of an ugly link, although it works. And there's our file out on the web, see, coming from Google Drive. But let's make this look a little bit better here. What we're going to do is go to a website. Most people, a lot of people, I don't know if they know this, but it's not got nothing to do with Google. It's a different site. So it's gdurl.com. Okay, GD, that's for Google Drive URL, and you can get it. What we're going to do here is we're going to get our permanent link, or commonly referred to as Permalink. Okay, all right, so we press enter and go to that site. All right, direct permalinks for Google Drive. Okay, so then what we'll do is we'll just click in here. It's free. This is all free, and you just click in here, and then we're going to Control V on Windows. I'm not sure what it is on Mac. I don't mess with Macs too much, but Control V will paste our link in there, that ugly link that we saw back here, and then we're going to click the button that says create the permalink, and it's already brought it up there. See, all right, so now this one down here is if somebody wants to download a copy of this particular file or whatever file you're uploading. But that's not the one we want. We want the one here is the direct link to view or open the file. So this right here, we're going to copy this. Okay, and then as you see, we'll test it, and that does the same thing, but only it's a lot better looking link that you're using when you put it out on the web to share it, so you can draw this file into wherever it is on the web that you need it. This is handy if you have business, if you're doing any kind of internet marketing or any kind of online business where you're trying to share a file or folder that may even can be linkable to. It'll give you the ability to get that to the website, because they won't allow you to upload it directly to their site. So they require a URL to be able to get your picture, file, folder, whatever, to the particular site, so it can be accessed from there. All right, so there we go. So we see how it works, and that's pretty easy actually. Not much else to it, but that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today. Okay, is how to do this on Google Drive. Don't forget that if you have a Gmail account. That's all it takes, and you get all of Google's products that they offer for free in Google Drive. 15 gigabytes of free space is on Google Drive for you that you can have and use to store files and folders and videos or whatnot, whatever there, and you can get shareable links just like I showed you. You can do the same thing with any file, folder, video, or music file or whatever. You can do that same thing, okay? So if you like this video, reach down there and click the thumbs up button for me if you would, please. It'll help my channel grow a little bit. Thanks. And but that's what I wanted to show you guys today. If you would like to see my #1 business, make sure that you click down there in my description below. Click mentorwithkev.com and you get $3,600 worth of free bonuses. Over $3,600 actually worth of free bonuses to take a look at this business. Okay. Alrighty. So also my other links down there. Hook up with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and that's pretty much it, what I wanted to share with you guys today. Pretty much a value video, okay? So I want to thank you for coming, and check out my other videos down there. I have a lot of other helpful videos down in there in the description too that will help you with your Instagram or whatnot, any other kind of business that you're running too. It'll help you too, okay? Alright, so thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you on the next video here in a few days. You guys take care and have a great day, okay? Bye-bye now.